Hello everyone, and welcome to this tutorial. In this video, I'll show you how to manually delete temporary files in Windows. Temporary files are created by your system and applications to store data temporarily, but over time, they can take up a lot of space. Deleting them can help free up storage and improve your computer's performance. Let's get started. First, press the Windows key plus R on your keyboard to open the Run dialog box. In the Run window, type %temp% and press Enter. This will open the temp folder, where all temporary files are stored. Go back to File Temp. Now, you need to gain permission to delete them. Right-click on the temp folder and select Properties. In the Properties window, go to the Security tab. Under the Group or Username section, select Administrators, then click Edit. In the next window, check the box under Allow. This will automatically check all the boxes below it. Click Apply, then OK to save the changes. Now, try deleting the files in the temp folder again. You should have full permission to delete them. Once you start the deletion process, you may need to wait for it to complete. Depending on the number and size of the files, this could take a few seconds or several minutes. Be patient and let the process finish. After deleting the files, close the temp folder to ensure all temporary files are removed. And that's it. You've successfully manually deleted temporary files in Windows, even if you encountered permission issues. This simple process can help you free up valuable disk space and keep your system running smoothly. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tech tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.